How to join a WhatsApp group with QR code. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily join a WhatsApp group with your QR code. So first thing, just head over to your WhatsApp application and let's say I want, in this case, this is the group I want to join in. So, but I don't have a QR code. So I'll just ask my friends to provide me a QR code. So as you can see in my gallery section, it's been provided over here. So let's say I want to join this particular group. So to join the particular group, WhatsApp group, what I will do is just click on this Google icon and just click on this Google. And once you click on it, you can see there's an option called little small camera icon right next to mic. So just tap on it, and from over here all you have to do is just select that particular QR code and it will scan it, and just click on this link and you'll have successfully joined into that particular WhatsApp group. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.